Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, all of my Ayutthaya footages taken from my GoPro did not back up to cloud and I can't find the SD card. This video had to be made from videos and pictures taken from my phone, so bear with me. This video actually took a very long time to make because my laptop's RAM is not that big and the file sizes of these footages were bigger than the GoPro ones, so my laptop would just freeze often and it was so frustrating. But here we are. I finally finished it. I got to Ayutthaya at around 10 a.m. I booked a van service to get me here from Bangkok and the stop was literally 10 minutes away from my hostel by walking. I was so hungover from the night before though when I went out to Khao San Road. I tried to sleep as much as I could because I did not want to throw up in the car. When I got to the hostel, I just chilled on my laptop for a bit until the check-in time. After checking into my hostel, I first went to Wat Ratchabarana. It is one of the most well-preserved temples in Ayutthaya. It was the perfect temple to start the trip. I also booked a tour through my hostel that included a tour to multiple temples. At our first stop, they had an attraction to feed fish. There were just too many fish in one spot. I kind of found it gross and scary. The tour took us to different temples in a boat, and it was kind of convenient because a lot of the temples in Ayutthaya are along the river. To be honest, sometimes it's kind of awkward taking videos at temples because there are people praying to the Buddha. It feels kind of odd for me to film what they're doing. I felt that I was invading their privacy a little bit. To be honest, the first two temples that I went to, I didn't really know about them until I got there. They were pretty interesting to see, especially the Lying Buddha at Wat Ayutthaya. The last stop of our tour was to Wat Chai Watanaram. This was the highlight of the tour. When we got there, it was the golden hour, so the temples and the surrounding architecture looked more beautiful than during the day. I did have to pay to enter though, which was 50 baht or about $2 Canadian. I thought this tour included the entrance fee, but it didn't. That's okay though, it's just 50 baht. This temple ground was massive and there was so much to see. I honestly could have stayed for hours if I didn't come with the tour. I literally fell in love with the view. At this point, it would have been 2 weeks into my solo backpacking. I noticed that there are a lot of British, Dutch, and Germans traveling, and literally 80% of the people staying at hostels are from Europe. Because I spoke with a lot of British people, I caught on their accent a little bit. It definitely didn't stick through. I pretty much would lose it whenever I speak to Americans or other Canadians. Also, they were mostly in between 19 to 26-year-olds. As a 28-year-old solo traveler at that time, I felt kind of old. To be honest, I never thought I was too old for hostels until I was on this trip. People like to party a lot and drink a lot. Not that I didn't party on this trip. I definitely partied, but maybe once a week instead of every day. Or I would have a drink or two or something with dinner.
so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever